2, 1. So here, so the first question what I asked us to do was we were given a rule, fill out the table and draw it. Now I'm giving you a table and asking you to sketch it and make a rule. So we're sort of doing the reverse. In both scenarios we need to sketch. So we've identified that we need to find a pattern. Clive, what's our pattern here? What's it going up by?
2.
2. So it's going up by 2. So my next number is going to be 1, followed by, followed by. Very good. Now how many of these points do I actually have to use to make my line? 2 of them, give me 2 points. -2, -3. And what's another point? 2, 5. That'll do. So now I just get my ruler and connect those dots. How can we tell I didn't use my ruler appropriately when making my graph? How can we tell? Yeah, where should this go through this y-axis?
-1.
Should go through at +1. Doesn't quite go through it there, correct? So I've used my ruler a bit, but I could have definitely been better. So that's half the question done. What do I still need to do, Aurora? I've done the sketch, now I need to make the rule, okay? How do these rules always look? What do these rules always look like? Charles, what do you reckon? What do all the rules have in common? They start with what? Yep, so my rule is going to have y equals something times x plus something, correct? So I'm missing some numbers. How many numbers am I missing?
2.
Where do I get those numbers from? Because I can't just throw numbers in. There's a way I have to go about it. What's the easiest one to see, first of all?
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1, so it's going to be this one, the back number here. And I see that by looking at x equals 0. I can do that by looking at my table, or if my graph's really good, I can look at my graph. Because I want to know where it intersects the y-axis, that vertical line. So I can see that it goes through at +1. Cool? If we look at this graph here, it went through, it should have gone through at +4. As we see there. Cool? So the other number then, what's the other number? 2. And how do we get 2? Because every 1x, it's going up 2y, correct? So that tells us 2, 2. I should have put +2, shouldn't I? And that's how we make our rule. Does anyone remember the name of the first number? What's this one? It's got a special name. Anyone remember the special name for that? Starts with G. Gradient. And what about the value at the back? That's got a special name?
Y.
The y-intercept. The bonus marks. Can anyone tell me the letters we use to represent those? Which one gets M? Gradient. And the C goes to the y-intercept. Cool? I'm hoping we got this one here. What can you tell me immediately when looking at this equation? What can you tell me? Tell me something that you know immediately before you're doing this. It's going to go through the y-intercept at -3. Cool? I'll give you a minute or two to try and get that challenge question out, and then we'll start doing our Desmos activity. If you've done the challenge question, jump on